Hello guys, my name is Johnny and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel, Explore with Johnny. This is the first video where I am actually speaking in English. I hope my English is quite good. Sorry, it was a car. Again, this is the first video where I'm actually speaking. I will probably not be speaking in all the videos. I prefer to do it that way, you know, to film the videos without me speaking, because my English is probably not 100% perfect, since I'm Romanian. I'm not American or British or Canadian or something like that, you know, and I'm not a native speaker. I'm not from Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. I don't know what country in the world where you have English as your, how you call it, as your main language, as your native language, you know. I'm Romanian, so we know English because we learn English in school and stuff like that, high school, in university a little bit, you know, and we learn it as a foreign language, or how you call that. So, you know, we can speak with the people from other countries, especially when we travel and stuff, or when people from other countries come to visit Romania, you know. We know English, so we can speak with them, with you actually. And today's video is something a little bit more special. I don't know if you have seen this on YouTube, like on other YouTube channels. I don't know if there are other Romanian YouTubers doing this kind of videos, walking videos, travel videos, more like a walking video. A lot of YouTubers that are doing this, they are from other countries, and I got inspired by them. If you know, he's from United States of America, from New York, but I think now he has moved in Miami, Florida. Action Kid, if you know him. He is one guy that I know from YouTube, and he's doing this kind of videos. And there's another guy that I enjoy very much watching him. Sorry, I don't remember exactly his name. Something Johnny something. I'm sorry, I don't remember his name. He's from Canada, from Toronto. He does walking videos from Toronto, and he's very popular on YouTube. And all these big YouTubers from other countries are filming this kind of videos, but they are filming from their big cities, you know, New York, Toronto, I don't know, Chicago, LA, probably other cities in the world, Tokyo, Seoul, London, Paris, I don't know. But since I'm Romanian, I showed you a little bit in the other videos from my hometown, my city. Probably I will film something else as well from the botanical garden. It is the first botanical garden in the country, first ever, over there in my city, the city of Iasi. And today I'm at my grandparents with my mother and her loved one, if I can say so, like that. And because we are celebrating my my grandpa and my mother's brother. I don't know how do you say that in English. It's not a birthday. We're celebrating their name. I don't know how do you say that. Their name. Today is like a holiday here in Romania. We are Orthodox, so it is like, probably, I don't know if you have this name in other countries, Constantine, and it's like today is like Saint Constantine and Helen, something like that, or Saints Constantine and Helen. And my grandpa is named Constantine, and his son, my mother's brother, also has a name which comes from Constantine, so we are celebrating them. We are doing a barbecue, we are eating cake, you know, And since I'm here, I said why not showing you how a let's say typical Romanian village looks like, you know. Hopefully you will enjoy this video, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button because it helps me a lot and it motivates me to continue if I have to film stuff for you, because if I don't, probably I won't post a lot of videos on this channel if I don't have content, you know. I have to have content to post for you. I have to go places. If I have places where I can go in the city that I haven't showed you yet, or there are some events going on, something nice, or I don't know, during the holidays, sorry, especially winter holidays, and I can film the lights in the city and stuff like that, you know, for the winter holidays, or when I go with my family in like vacations, stuff like that, with other family members, I don't know, acquaintances. I will probably film and post on this channel. I also have a YouTube channel where I post reaction videos and other stuff. Maybe a little bit of gaming, I don't know, like unboxing. I rap a little bit, but in Romanian language. And that channel is called Johnny pe Zona, but that is only for Romanian people, especially teenagers, young people watch those videos. Because as I said, reaction videos, unboxing, maybe a little bit of gaming. So it's for teenagers, young people. But I only speak in Romanian language. I don't have subtitles or anything like that. It's only for Romanian viewers. But this channel, I want this channel to be an international one, so people like you from other countries can enjoy these videos. Not only Romanian people can watch it as well if they know English, and especially international viewers, because I want you to see how beautiful my country, Romania, is, and probably I will influence you to come and visit it. Yeah. If I will remember, maybe I'm gonna put subtitles in Romanian language on this one. I don't know. Maybe in this video, because I'm talking, YouTube would let me put a look. There's a little dog, but he's scared. Hey, little buddy, you're scared about the little camera, the little DJI Pocket 2 device? I was looking, thinking he is gonna walk behind me, follow me. Yeah, maybe because in this video I'm speaking, YouTube will let me put those automatic generated subtitles. If not, then because I said I'm gonna put subtitles, but I want the YouTube generated ones. I know they are not perfect, but I think they are decent enough, because you know I don't want to spend time in the editing software. I use Filmora. If you don't know the software, really good, recommend it. Not very complicated to use, but it also has like fancy features, sorry, like chroma key and stuff like that for green screen. For my Romanian channel, for example, I use a lot of green screen for those effects, you know. I can put a different background, and people think that I am in a new room or something like that every single day almost, but I'm in my normal apartment bathroom, because I live in an apartment with my family in the city of Iasi. So if I'm not gonna forget, as I said, in the editing software, I think maybe for this video, or for the videos where I'm speaking in English, if YouTube won't let me add those automatic subtitles, you know, those subtitles, captions, whatever, that are generated automatically. I will write some subtitles. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. I haven't slept too much yesterday. I watch YouTube videos like Mr. Who's the Boss, you know him, from UK. He does a lot of smartphone content, electronic reviews and stuff like that. Super Saf, Justine, and all of those guys. Johnny, sorry I don't remember his name. The guy from Toronto, very famous. He does this kind of walking videos. Yeah. So in the editing software, I am gonna just write some Romanian subtitles for my Romanian viewers. I mean, if they are teenagers watching this, even more mature people, they may know English, but to make it simple, I'll probably write some titles if I'm not gonna forget. Look over here, some how do you call this? Geese? I think goose is the singular and geese is the plural, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Again, sorry if my English is not perfect. Again, I'm Romanian and you have to understand this. I wasn't born in United States of America, Great Britain, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. English is not my main language, like the language that we Romanian people speak every day. Look over here, there's the kindergarten. It is the old one, but they are kind of remaking it, or I don't know how to say, the design and everything, you know, they are making it look new, but it is actually the old building. They are just giving it a refresh, if I can say so. I studied here in the last year of kindergarten. The first 2 years I did those in my city, in Iasi, at a kindergarten, but after that I came here in the village of my grandparents. They were a lot in the city as well, like many years. They are from here, but you know, they came to the city to work and stuff, and they lived many years in the city, so they're familiar with city life. They are not people that, you know, lived 100% here in a village. So when they come into the city, they are like, wow, what's this? No, they know very well the city life. They know to use a bus, a tram, and everything like that. They are not like those people that never came into a city, okay? They are all right. And you know, because my mom was too busy with the work and stuff like that. My father was in another country working for a few years, good years. Now my parents are divorced. I'm living with my mother. I still speak with my dad here and there, and we see each other sometimes. These are the grandparents from my mother. Look, there's a house, an abandoned house. If you wanna see how an abandoned house looks like in a Romanian village. By the way, this is in Iasi County, in the region of Moldova, or in English you say Moldavia, right? In the region of Moldavia. Don't make a confusion with the country Republic of Moldavia. That is a separate country. I mean, they are our brothers and sisters because they were once part of Romania. Like the big country of Romania. But you know, another country that is doing something bad in the world right now. said, we don't want this we don't want this part to be part of, we don't want this region, sorry, to be part of Romania no more. Let's take it, bam, you know. This is what they said. But I have nothing against the people from that country. Only with the leader. I don't like their leader, because he's starting wars, because he wants more territory. I want more territory. So I don't like their leader. But I'm sure Russian people are okay people. If there's anybody from Russia, I don't have nothing against you. You are okay. You are an okay human being. And I am sure you don't like this war that is going on right now. So, yeah. If I'm speaking too much, it's gonna be a pain to write subtitles. But, yeah, I will see. But if I'm not gonna put subtitles in this way, I'm gonna encourage more Romanian people to learn English, to speak it at least at a decent level, because knowing a foreign language is very important nowadays, in my opinion. I'm filming for around 20 minutes. Outside is like 24, 25, I don't know, 26 degrees Celsius, something like that. If you're from America or where you have Fahrenheit degrees, I don't know exactly what's the temperature in Fahrenheit. Probably I'm gonna put it on the screen if there's somebody watching from the United States of America. And in case you're wondering where I'm going right now, I'm showing you the school where I studied. Again, sorry if my English is not the best, but seems like I'm speaking quite well. I have no problem. If I'm in front of people, maybe a lot of people, I'm nervous and I'm not speaking quite well. This is my the school where I used to study. Look, this is me. I am revealing my face on this video. You wanna see how my eyes look like? Hi. It is the first time I am revealing my face. Now back to the front facing camera. Wait a minute, like that's a Jaguar. I don't know exactly what model. In a Romanian village, a Jaguar. This is the biggest grocery store in the village. It is like a mini supermarket. I'm near the house of my grandparents. I'm going to show you a little bit how the church looks like. This is the church. Can you hear the bird singing? Let me know in the comment section if you can hear the bird singing. I'm gonna end this video, I think, right above here. This was the video for today, guys. I hope you will enjoy it. When I'll get back home in my city, probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I don't know, I will edit it and post it, and I will edit it and post it on YouTube. See you in a future video when I will post one. But don't forget to subscribe. As many as you subscribe, that will help my channel. Like the video, share it, and leave a comment down below. Bye bye.